they're cousins.
Right.
So who cares? Greetings once again, guys. This is Mike with Leonard Truck Outfitters in Statesville. And today, in front of a live studio audience, we are speaking with Bryan, our latest technician. How you doing, Bryan?
Fine. Yourself?
Good. Everything's going well so far. All right, so let's 5 questions. Number 1. What's your last name?
McClain.
McClain.
Yes.
Like John.
Spelled different, but yes.
Right. Huh? How do you spell yours?
McClain.
2C.
2 C's.
So it's not McLean, it's McClean.
Correct.
Okay. Of what origin?
Scots Irish.
There's a whole country between those two.
Yes.
So how did that happen?
Beats me. Somebody was quick.
Yeah, I guess. Yeah. How long have you guys been in the Americas?
I have no idea.
Good. Me neither. Nope.
Haven't
Never.
researched it.
Never going to take one of those DNA swabs. It's not for me.
I want to try it.
Do you?
I do.
I've had family members do it. My wife's done it.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. And now she knows that she has more cousins than she knew she had before.
That's fine until she hits the lottery.
Right. But luckily, I buy the tickets,
There you go.
and I'm not sharing jack. Just throwing that out there to you guys. Question number 2. With the exception of red, green, blue, and yellow, what is your favorite color?
Black.
Black. Does that mean that you're a dark soul?
Probably.
Probably. Do you have
Likely.
obsessions with death?
No. I don't want death. No.
No, not necessarily that you wanted, but like, are you a true crime fanatic?
No.
Really?
Right.
You don't watch Dateline?
No. Forensics.
Okay, well that's in the realm. Do you listen to podcasts?
No.
Okay. What do you do when you drive?
Music.
Do you sing?
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
I'm not good.
Do you stop singing when you're at a stoplight?
Probably.
Yeah. I tend to do that too, and I never thought about it until today when I was driving a stoplight, and I just kept singing. And I'm like, I bet this guy next to me thinks I'm nuts. But then I was thinking he was probably just singing too.
Right. We're talking on the phone. They
Yeah.
don't know the difference.
Right? Okay. So we're gonna move on to question 3. Okay. Now this one we're gonna go way back. All right. So you're gonna have to think back to when you were a child.
Oh.
All right. What was your childhood TV show of choice? We're gonna show your age here a little bit.
Yeah, a little bit. Married with Children.
Married with Children.
Yes.
Was that on when you were a kid?
Well, it was in the 90s.
Yeah.
I was out of high school, but
Well, still a kid though. I've always said that people aren't adults until they're at least 35
I
because
was
they
out
have
of that.
no idea what they're doing. I'm 45 and I have no idea what I'm doing. How old are you? Can I ask that question on camera?
Yeah, I'm 52,
52.
and I still don't know what I want to be when I grow up.
Right? I don't think it's for everybody.
Hmm.
I don't think growing up's for everybody.
No.
Yeah.
Especially men.
Yeah, and I have no goals except to finish this interview without making you upset at me.
No, you're good so far.
All right. So, all right. So we'll go to question number 4. You know, I never watched Married with Children.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Now the guy that was played Al Bundy, I
Mhm.
can't remember his name, but he was in Modern Family,
Yes.
and I
Ted
enjoy the heck out of that show.
Yeah.
I've watched first to last multiple times.
No,
It-
Married with Children was funnier.
Was it?
Oh, yeah.
Well, I remember my parents wouldn't let me watch it. It wasn't a choice,
There's a reason.
but my parents wouldn't let me watch it. And then when I got my own TV in my own room, the guilt factor wouldn't let me watch it. So still working on that one.
Mhm.
All right. So where are we at? Question what?
5.
4?
That was 4.
No, that wasn't 4.
Oh.
That wasn't 4. I was just messing with you.
Okay.
All right. So number 4. Tell us exactly what it is you do.
Here?
Preferably, not like your entire day. I don't
Okay.
want morning sleep.
Well, install tech,
Okay.
cabinets, lights, shelving units, whatever needs to be done.
Hitches,
You can do hitches.
ladder racks,
You can do ladder racks.
tonneau covers,
Yes.
leer caps,
Yes.
other truck caps.
Yes.
See?
ARE.
Yeah. And smart caps coming along now too.
Yes. Smart caps,
Yeah.
KUVs. Yes.
Those are all things that people should purchase.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. And we also have a brand new trailer out there on the lot. Did you see it?
I see that.
7x16 gooseneck dump trailer.
That thing's huge,
It is huge.
but it's nice.
We used to, no, we used to, I used to do a little thing where it would say how many mics. And it was how many mics can fit in this and how many mics can fit in that. I kind of want to see how many mics will fit in the dump trailer.
Quite a few mics will fit.
I think I could get a few of me in there.
Yeah.
Might have to find out tomorrow. The question number 5. First of all, have you had a good time?
So far, so good.
So far, so good.
Mhm.
You're not angry?
No.
Are you depressed?
No.
Okay. I haven't made you sad.
No.
Good. So our final question is going to be on a scale of 1 to 10. How are your cooking skills?
Ooh. I'm gonna say about 9.
Do you normally make dinner,
On the weekends, I cook all the time.
but not during the week?
No,
That's the wife's
that's
job.
the wife's job.
Okay.
I take over on the weekends.
I made dinner last night.
Nice.
Yeah. I did. I made quiche.
Hmm.
They were frozen, so I didn't really have to do anything. But
Throw 'em in.
I cooked them perfectly.
Yeah.
I did not burn them. They're nice and golden brown. What's your best dish you cook?
I think it was the smoky, cheesy tater soup.
That's right. You said you were going to bring some.
As soon as I get to smoke some cheese, we'll make some.
You smoke your own cheese.
Absolutely.
Okay, so now we're going to have a 6th question. How does that work?
Cold smoke. You can't get cheese too hot; it will melt.
Really?
Yeah. So nice, cold, long. Yeah, I'll bring some in when I do some.
So how do you cold? Okay, this might be my ignorance here, but I was always told when there's smoke, there's fire.
Yes.
So how do you make a cold fire?
Small fire.
So the fire's not cold,
It's just small and smolders.
and the
Just
smoke is cold,
once it
or do you
reaches.
hang it
Well,
farther away?
You got to keep it up high
Oh,
off,
okay.
off the flames. But
Yeah.
yeah, nice small fire, lots of smoke.
I've learned a little bit about that from Naked and Afraid.
Yes.
You watch that show?
No.
Ah, you don't know what you're missing.
Mhm.
Don't know what you're missing. It's on HBO Max. Some of the
Yeah, I don't have
seasons.
that.
Well, I'll buy you a subscription if you promise to watch Naked and Afraid.
I can do that.
Okay. Just a shout out to Naked and Afraid. Nice to meet you guys. Not interested in coming on your show, but if you want to throw us some swag, go ahead. Brian, it was a pleasure. Thank you for
Same
sitting down
here.
with me.
Appreciate it.
And next week, I think we're having Heath join us. So tune back in next week, and we'll see you then. Bye, guys.